Hello everyone, let's try to understand the problem statement before coding part. This demo will be using actually Bayesian network to solve the famous Monty Hall problem. For those of you who don't know what's the Monty Hall problem is exactly. So let me explain. Actually, the Monty Hall problem is named after the host of the TV series. Let's make a deal. It is a paradoxical probability puzzle that has been confusing people for over a decade. So this is how it works. Like the game involves three doors. We can see here the three doors. That behind one of these doors is a car, and the remaining two have goods behind them. Right? Through basically the three doors, and behind one of these doors you will find a car. If you are lucky enough, you will win the prize, and in the prize you got a car. And remaining two doors there are gods. So how you start is you start by picking a random door. So you have a choice equal. So these are the choices of three doors A, B, C, 1 to 3 with equal choices. That's why here 1 upon 3, 1 upon 3 and 1 upon 3. That means 0.3% chances, equal chances. Let's say you pick a door number 2, right? Similarly, the host, which is basically Monty, knows where the car is hidden and he opens another door and see the door number 1. Behind the door, there is going to be a good. One behind the door, there is going to be a good 100% chances, and he is not going to open a door which has the price, right? Because he is the host of the TV show. Now here the catch. You are going to be given a choice, and the host will basically ask you if you want to pick up a door. You want to switch a door. You want to pick up a door number 3 instead of your first choice, and that is door number 2, right? Initially, you choose door number 2. Now you will be again a choice whether you want to switch your door or not. Let's say you make up your mind and choose your door number 3. Now that we have to do using Bayesian network, if we have to find out it is a better for you to switch your choice. So with the help of Bayesian network, actually you can easily understand your choice is better or not. So with the help of Bayesian network, you can easily understand. You stick to your choice first. That this is exactly what we are going to model. We will creating a Bayesian network to understand the probability of winning. If the participant decide to switch his choice, so like always, the first step is to build a direct acyclic graph. So the graph has three nodes. You can see here the graph has three nodes: the guess node, the price node, and then the third one is the Monty node. The node selected by the guest is represented by this node, is called the guess node, and the node containing the price is basically represented by the price node, and the node Monty choose to open is represented by a Monty door. So now let's understand the dependencies have these door selected by the guest, and the door containing the car are completely random process. I think about it, our guest can pick up any random door, and the door that contain the price is random door. That's what we assuming. However, the door that Monty choose to open is dependent on both the door. It depend on the door selected by the guest, and the door is mean, and the door the price is behind, right? Monty has choose in such a way that the door doesn't contain the price, and it cannot be the one choose by the guest. Again, I'm repeating, there are two conditions. Monty has to choose in such a way that the door uh, that doesn't contain the price, and it cannot be the one choose by the guest. So these are the two conditions for Monty opening a door. Now the guest door and then the price door can be selected at random. Now what we will do is we will open um, uh, before opening the code and before giving the demo. I want to repeat again some condition for Monty Hall problem what we will understand. But we have understand yet. Actually, in this demo we will be using Bayesian network. Um, Bayesian network, you know, is a famous Monty Hall problem. with the help of Bayesian network, we are solving Monty Hall problem. For those of you who don't know what the Monty Hall problem exactly. So this is how it's worked. The game involves three doors. Given that behind one of these door of a car and the remaining two have doors behind them. So you start by picking a random door and say door number 3. On the other hand, the host knows where a car is hidden and he opens door number 1 behind which there is a god. Here's the catch, you are now here's the catch, you are now given a choice. The host will ask you if you want to pick door number 3 instead of your choice, door number 2. So with the help of this implementation as we are given in next demonstration, you can easily identify what a guest has decided to switch door on which probability and guest has refused to switch the door upon which probability. Thank you.